Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about the most basic verb that we have in almost all languages. Me, as a native Spanish speaker, when I was learning English, the first verb that I have learned was the verb to be. In Spanish, we have the verb to be split in two verbs, which is the verb ser and the verb estar. If you are referring to a person, you might want to use the verb ser. For instance, if I want to say that I am student, you will say yo soy un estudiante, which is the first person of singular of the verb ser. But if you're talking about how, or if you're talking about a state, like state of mood, you will say, instead of using ser, you will use the other verb, which is estar. If I ask you, how are you? You will say, estoy bien. Because bien is the how, is the state. Estoy bien, estoy mal, which means I am good, I am bad. If you want to refer to some people that are here right now, you will say, ellos están aquí. Now, let's conjugate the to be in Spanish, but with the estar way. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Nosotros estamos. Ustedes están. Ellos están. You can express like a feeling with the verb estar. Like they are happy will be ellos están contentos. They are sad. Ellos están tristes. In that one, we're going to change the sentence. Instead of using the verb estar, we're going to use the verb ser. If we say instead of ellos están tristes, ellos son tristes, we are now saying that it's not a temporal state. It means that they are actually in that way. It means that they are always sad. Ellos son tristes mean that they are always sad, which is not the same as ellos están tristes. That will refer that they are sad, but in a certain moment. Ellos están tristes ahora, which means they are sad now. So let's take the ser part of the to be verb. So let's conjugate that in the present. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, nosotros somos, ustedes son, y ellos son. As you may tell, my neighbor's dog was barking while I was recording this video. So that gives you the opportunity to learn a new word, a new phrase, which will be my neighbor's dog is barking, which in Spanish will be el perro del vecino está ladrando. Come on, repeat it. El perro del vecino está ladrando. That was easy. Practice that and then follow up with me in the next videos. If you enjoyed the videos, go to this URL here, www.raydelta.org/Spanish. See you soon.